music, music, music all the time.
Really?
Just great. I quit all my other jobs so I didn't have to not do music all the time. And now I'm happy. Alright, so this song is called Peaks and Valleys. It's the title track of an upcoming EP that I've been working on for way too long. And it's about, what's the phrase? It's about love and commitment and enduring the ups and the downs. Long-term relationships,
It's peaks and valleys, all right.
It's peaks and valleys. It's in and out. It's up and down. So
yeah, it is. In and out.
Yeah.
Answering. Hey, this is a family show.
You went there.
You know how families started, don't you?
Oh. If you want, I could be the one you wanna spend your day with, or not. 'Cause if you wanna be alone, then I'll be waiting. I won't stop, 'cause I'm always gonna find another reason to love. Even though the world is telling us to leave it. Wherever you go, I'll go. Wherever you go, I'll go. Wherever you go, I'll go. I'll go with you. Are you scared of forgetting how it felt when we were brand new out there? Are a million pretty people to distract you? I don't care, 'cause even when I go and take it all for granted, I'm aware that be it peak or valley, it don't matter where we're standing. Wherever you go, I'll go. Wherever you go, I'll go. Wherever you go, I'll go. I'll go with you. When it's easy, when it's hard, when we're stumbling in the dark, where you go, I will go. I'll go with you. When I feel it, when you don't, when you will, when I won't, where you go, I will go. I'll go with you. When it's easy, when it's hard, and we're stumbling in the dark, where you go, I will go. I'll go with you. When I feel it, when you know, when I will, when you won't, I will go. I will go. I'll go with you. Wherever you go, I'll go. 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 I'll go. I'll go with you.
That's Kendall Patrick, folks.